Hello guys, how are you all? Lenovo has launched Lenovo Z6 Pro that is coming with a hyper-vision quad camera setup to take amazing pictures and shoot amazing videos. This phone will directly compete with the Huawei's new Huawei P30 Pro, so let us compare both the phones and see which will be the value for money phone. The display of Huawei P30 is 6.47 inch of OLED display with Quad HD resolution that gives users an immersive display experience. As Lenovo Z6 Pro comes with a 6.39 inch of AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution, so display is best in Huawei P30 Pro. Both the phones are coming with a powerful processor that gives incredible performance in multitasking and gaming. Huawei P30 Pro is powered by HiSilicon Kirin 980 clocked at 2.6 GHz coupled with 8 GB of RAM. So this powerful processor can handle the gaming, multitasking and give seamless performance. Whereas Lenovo Z6 Pro is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor clocked at 2.84 GHz of speed and coupled with 6 GB of RAM. The RAM varies up to 12 GB. So this is also a powerful processor, gives seamless and incredible performance in multitasking game and gaming. Both the phone comes with the powerful cameras capable of giving amazing picture quality. Huawei P30 Pro comes with a triple rear camera of 40 MP plus 20 MP of wide angle lens plus 8 MP of telephoto lens. This camera has many capabilities like 50x digital zoom, laser focus and the night vision. The night mode of this phone is incredible. It takes great pictures and shoot great videos in the night mode. Whereas Lenovo Z6 Pro comes with an hyper-vision quad camera setup of 48 MP plus 16 MP wide-angle lens plus 8 MP telephoto lens plus 2 MP of balancing lens. So this quad camera setup supports an hyper-vision technology. Hyper-vision videos are the videos which can be transferred at the higher rates than the normal videos. So this is only the first phone to come with an hyper-vision technology. It is having a 32 MP of selfie camera, and in Huawei P30 Pro there is a 32 MP of selfie camera. So in the camera section both the phones are very good and takes amazing pictures and can shoot. Both the phone comes with a big batteries. Huawei P30 Pro is having a 4200 mAh of big battery with wireless charging support, fast charging support and reverse charging support too. The fast charging is very fast in Huawei P30 Pro, charges the phone up to 70% in just 30 minutes. Whereas Lenovo Z6 Pro is also having a big battery of 4000 mAh with fast charging support, and the reverse charging support we are predicting that it will be there, but Lenovo has not given that it will be having a reverse charging support too. Lenovo Z6 Pro comes at a half price of Huawei P30 Pro and offers amazing specifications and offers an amazing camera setup. So Lenovo Z6 Pro will be the best phone for the price and a value for money. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.